Hey everyone, thanks for stopping in today. I have two advent calendars here, and these are from Target. So I figured I would do it this way so that you guys can see as everything opens. We'll save this one for a second, and this one we'll do. These were, I think this one was more money because this is only at Ulta and at Target. Joy in Beauty Advent Calendar. So that one I think was like $40. This one, I forget how much it was. Maybe $20. It does give you a little description on the back of what's inside. And this is just 12 days of beauty. So let's just see what's in this one right here. Okay. I have no clue. I saw some things in that one and then stopped watching so that I could, how these are going to pop out here. Without me like destroying nails here. See if I can just get that to come out. Okay, we'll do this. So this is festive nail stickers, and these are like they're white snowflakes, things like that. That's really cute. That would look nice on red nails, dark nails. So I'm just going to keep these off to the side because I'm not going to try to put things back in. 2 is down here. Oops. That didn't want to open. And this one's a little difficult to get stuff out of. And here, oh, from e.l.f. we have the Power Grip Primer. That's nice. I don't know if I have Power Grip. Honestly, I have so many primers, I don't know. But that's what this looks like. And that's a good size. That'll last for a while. I'm not unhappy with that at all. I mean, obviously, I would assume since these are Target calendars that these are things that you could get at Target. 3 is here. This one's not fun to open. This looks like NYX. The Marshmallow Setting Spray. Well, that's nice. This one's really good. 4. Where's 4? Up here. Yeah, this one doesn't open nice. So what are we? Like a beauty sponge. This one is very difficult to get out of the packaging. Whew. So this is Sonia Kashuk, okay? A black and white one. These are not cheap. You know, these I think are like $8 or $10 at Target, if I'm not mistaken. Good brush brand too, if you're looking for good brushes. So far, I mean, as much as like you guys might not like these, I will definitely put them on my nails for the holidays. You know, maybe just on 1 or 2 nails, but that's actually pretty cool. So where was that? 4. So we have to find 5. I'm just going to stuff that in there. 5 is here. Oh no, 5 is here. Doesn't matter. Zoom. And this looks like a NYX Butter Gloss. Right here. I have to look and see what the shade is. Oops. Knock the top off of something over here. What is the shade? Creme Brulee is the shade. So, and it is sealed. Let's unseal. This is usually how I cut myself. Okay. I'm not sure if I have this one or not. It's a nice, I'm not going to swatch it, but a nice like pinky color. Okay, that's nice. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 5 out of the 12. 6. Let's take this down. 6 is here. How do you open this way? 6. Oops. Looks like something fell down. Neutrogena makeup remover wipes. You get 7. Happy with that. Put you away. Number 8. Look, this is very difficult to open. Wow. Another good item to have from Bausch & Lomb, Lumify eye drops. I'm happy with them. Could always use some eye drops. So that one was 6. 7 is here, which I think fell. I'm not mistaken. Yes, so that fell. So down here. So this is from, and I'm going to need the magnifier for this. This is from Bioderma, and this is a micellar water. right here. Little tiny ampule. They could have given us the regular one. So 7. So where's 8? Okay, am I not? Okay, am I not seeing 8? 1, 4, 10, 11, 12, 9. Is this one 8? 7, 8? I don't know which one I'm on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That was 8. So, I have no idea, but it looks like we're on number 9 here. This is craziness, trying to open this without seeing what's behind other things. They really don't make it easy to get this stuff out. Oops. Oh, this looks like it's a decent size and not a sample. Stay All Night Blue Light Micro Setting Mist. That looks like it's a decent size. That even might be a full size for them. Let's see what's up here. Alright, I'm just going to turn this way so I can try to open this one. Alright, goodness, come on. Oh, okay, then. Oh, like totally trashed. Nice. I got the samples of this. That calendar is trashed. And I liked these, the Olay cleansing melts. I did cut them like on an angle, so I was only using half. And you get 32 of them in this one. Happy to have that. So that was whatever number that was, 10 and 11, 12. Let's see what you are. Oops. 11 is from Sonia Kashuk, and it's like a puff, you know, for powder. Okay, not unhappy with that. Let me just move this stuff down so that I can show it to you all at the end. I think this so far so good. We still have one more day. Let's put that there. Oops. Everything's going to hit the floor. All right, so we have number 12 left. I'm just going to pop this down so that I can easily open this. Or not so easy. Oh, how nice. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just going to toss this on the floor. So here we have from Luminex. You have 8 strips, 4 treatments, whitening strips for your teeth. I don't think that's bad at all. And on the back, it does tell you everything. Yeah, it doesn't tell you if something's full size or not. I'm just going to toss that out of the way. So we have the nail art, the e.l.f. primer, the NYX setting spray, the Sonia Kashuk beauty sponge, the NYX butter gloss. Now I'm off camera here, but I want to show you the products. Neutrogena makeup wipes, the Lumify eye drops. For Bioderma, we have the little ampule of micellar water, the e.l.f. setting mist, the Olay cleansing melts, the Sonia Kashuk powder puff type item, and then the last item in there was from Luminex, the whitening strips. I think pretty good. No complaints there from me, anyway. And I think that one was under 20, if I'm not mistaken. I'm just going to try to get all this junk off. Hopefully, this one opens up a little bit easier. You know, I don't know. I'm trying to put that there. So this one is the Only at Ulta Beauty and Target Joy and Beauty Advent Calendar. So we're just going to start here. Hopefully this one opens up a little bit nicer. Oh, right off the bat, Benefit Cosmetics 24-hour brow setter. Love this stuff. This is clear. Right here, and this is what it looks like. It's a little sample, because I have full size of that. That's nice. So I'm going to put stuff there. I'm not going to put it back in. And I'm going to get rid of these 2. Ooh, Kate Spade. Looks like a perfume sample. And here we have Kate Spade New York, little perfume. Let me see. Oh, that smells nice. Right here. Happy to have that. That was 2. 3 is over here. I'm trying to open this to make it... I don't want my back to you guys, but no easy way to open these. From Tula face cleanser. Happy with that. Where's 4? Over here. Bonus product. So there's a bonus product in there. So what do we have here? They really do make these very difficult to get out of the plastic. And this is from Grande Lash. So little lash serum. Okay. 5. 5 is in. Sometimes they're numbered or they're written, so then it's kind of hard to see. So 5. Ooh. From Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. And I have Fenty Glow. Hopefully this is focusing. Wow, I love the gloss bombs. I do have some gloss bombs. And this is a little tiny sample right here. The full size of a gloss bomb looks like this. Right? Are these the gloss bombs? I think so. I think these are like the gloss bombs right here. So I'm happy to have that. Fenty Beauty in a Target Advent Calendar. Nice. I'm not complaining. Not complaining. So you were number what? 5? 6. How do you open it here? They really don't make this easy. Not at all. So 6 is... Put that back up. From Morphe, a mini continuous prep and set mist. Wow. Some good brands in this one. This one's definitely, I think, worth it. 7 is right here. So let's open this one up and see. Oh, Too Faced. I know I'm going to break a nail and it's going to annoy me. But it comes with the territory. You want to open a calendar, you're going to break a nail. So this is the extra strength lip plumper. And this is probably just the clear. Their lip plumpers are clear. And I do have some of those. Oh, this one's got like a little pink hue to it. Oh, nice. I'm excited. A lot of good brands. A lot of good brands. So number 8. Oh, number 8 here. Okay. Is that the bonus? Oh, there's 2 products in here. Oh, okay. So number 8 did have a bonus in it. So it's Clinique Moisture Surge Moisturizer. And then a little perfume sample of Clinique Happy, which I do love. I do have that. So that's 8. 9 is going to be this little one right here. So it's going to be like another perfume. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, I'm knocking everything over. Which I didn't want to do. Okay. So this little perfume sample here. Oh, Ariana Grande. Look, no, just a plain. Oh, that smells nice. Oh, I like that. So Clinique and Ariana Grande perfume. So that was 9. 10 is right here. I'm just going to hold this back here because it's getting more difficult to get in this. Pop you out. So here in slot number 10 from Smashbox, the Photo Finish Primer. Good. 11 is Mario Badescu Skincare right here. So this is going to be a little serum. Let's open her up. If I can figure out how to open her up. Let's just tear into it. So there's a little serum right here. Okay. So that was what, 11? So 12 is here at the bottom. Let's see what 12 is. Ooh. from MAC has Cosmetics, the MAC Stack Mascara. This is actually pretty good. I do like it. So there is the 12, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 days of only at Ulta and at Target. Joy and Beauty Advent Calendar. Toss that on the ground and get rid of that. So these are the 12 products. Benefit, Kate Spade, Tula, this is Grande Lash, Fenty Beauty, Morphe, Too Faced, Clinique, Ariana Grande, Smashbox, Mario Badescu, and MAC. And then the other products, I definitely think this is a very, very good calendar options that I think most of us could afford or could find in Target. I did order these on Target.com, but I'm sure they have them in store somewhere. So let me know your thoughts on these two. I'm extremely happy with these. Lots of good, popular brands. Nothing that you would, that you've never heard of. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.